Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spaces unofficial channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's see the Mercedes wheel spacers before and after. Let's go. After installing 15mm wheel spacers, they will add about 15mm back spacing for your wheels. Whether you upgrade to larger wheels or bigger performance brakes, keeping the back spacing correct will avoid most rubbing issues. If you put 15mm wheel spacers on each front wheel, that adds a total of 30mm track width. That is not much for a Mercedes CLS-300. You don't need to worry about the wheels hitting the fender after installing 15mm spacers. Wheel spacers will reduce the wheel gap, which improves the cosmetic and stability. Certainly, most cars look better when the wheel gap is not so pronounced and the tires flush with the fender. If you are trying to achieve a unique sport appearance, consider a proper set of wheel spacers. Wheel spacers will be helpful in upsizing your wheels. If you get a set of alloy wheels that don't quite fit your car because of height offset, wheel spacers will make the offset lower. By pushing the wheel further away from the hub assembly, they avoid potential rubbing issues. To ensure a safe wheel rotation, you will need more back spacing for brake calipers. Big aftermarket brakes require more space between the wheels and the hub assembly. By creating more back spacing, wheel spacers clear big brake clearance issues effectively. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.